At some point, it hits you that the skills you learn today could be the reason you never stay broke again. So you start searching video editing, coding, graphic design, whatever it takes to change your life. But here's the problem. Every free tutorial leads to a premium course. Every creator sells you a dream with a price tag. And you are broke, hungry to learn, desperate to level up, but can't afford a single rupee. I've been there. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can master in-demand skills like programming, video editing, AI, and cybersecurity without spending a single penny. No fluff, no upsell, just real, battle-tested websites that helped me to go from confused beginner to a self-taught creator and developer. Stick till the end because I'll share some hidden gems even most creators don't talk about. And yes, every single link will be in the description. Let's get started. Number 1. MOOC.fi. Now listen, this isn't your typical watch and forget kind of platform. This one is different, built by the University of Helsinki. MOOC.fi is all about learning by doing. You don't just watch someone code, you solve real problems from day one. You'll find Java programming, full stack cybersecurity, AI and machine learning, DevOps. The courses are structured like real university classes, and the best part, they are completely free. No ads, no upsell, just clean, focused, hands-on learning. If you are in Europe or the UK, you can even earn credits that count towards your university degree. But for rest of us, it's still a goldmine. Number 2, Bilibili.com, the YouTube nobody talks about. Now, if you are like me and sometimes just watch someone build or design something, let me introduce to a secret weapon, Bilibili.com. It's basically the Chinese version of YouTube, but what it makes it special is the kind of content people post there. You will find full-length software tutorials, motion graphics breakdowns, UI UX design guides, programming bootcamps, even full premium course series, absolutely for free. Search for whatever skills you want to learn, like DaVinci Resolve, Figma UI design, React projects, and boom, a whole new world opens up. Disclaimer, some of the courses may be pirated, and I don't encourage piracy. If you can afford it, always support the creator, but if you are broke and just trying to get started, use this as a stepping stone. Number 3. Udemy premium courses without paying. I know Udemy gets a bad rep sometimes, but hear me out. Some of the best structured courses out there live on Udemy, and you don't have to pay for them. A lot of instructors use coupon codes to promote their courses, and when they do, you can grab them for free legally. Just bookmark these sites, and even better, follow their Telegram channels. They post real-time course drops, and you can enroll with one click. Number 4. Spring Academy. Now, this one's for my backend devs, Java enthusiast, or anyone aiming to be a full-stack developer. Go to spring.academy, the framework used by thousands of companies worldwide. You will get real backend projects, testing and deployment guides, REST APIs, Spring Boot, Spring Security, everything you need to go pro, clear progress tracking, and 100% free content, no catch. I genuinely wish I had this when I first started learning Java. It's structured like a real bootcamp, but you can do it at your pace. If you are serious about backend dev, start here. It's no fluff, it's the real deal. Number 5. Bonus gems. When you are ready to go deeper, here's are the few more sites I keep in my toolkit. Each one powerful in its own way. Elementsofai.com teaches you how AI works. No tech background needed. Co-created by the Finnish government. Fullstackopen.com. React, Node.js, TypeScript, GraphQL builds you into a job-ready developer through real projects. Fullstack.dev, beautiful UI, real-world web projects, feels like a paid platform but it's free. Education.launchcode.org, perfect for beginners trying to break into tech, structured with progress tracking and career preps.
Oh wait, I can't believe I almost forgot this one, the Odin project. If you are serious about learning web development, this is one of the best free resources out there. It's project-based and actually makes you build stuff instead of just watching tutorials.
These aren't just websites, they are blueprints. Pick one, commit, build projects, and document your journey. That's it. You now have everything you need to become self-taught without paying a single rupee. But here's the real part. Free resources are only half the equation, and the other half, consistency and action. Don't let another week go by just saving bookmarks. Pick one skill, pick one website, and start. Let me know in the comments what skill you are learning next. I'll personally reply with tailored advice or extra resources. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe. So it's your time. Learn smart, learn free. I'm Krishna signing off.